Welcome again to my tiny kitchen. So, magluluto lang naman tayo ngayon ng isda sa Tausi. Okay, meron akong 3 pirasok ng isda dito. Napirito na siya. Napakasimple lang naman lutuin ng isda with Tausi. Kailangan mo lang dyan yung mga pangunahing ingredients, of course, ang ating sibuyas, bawang, luya, and pwede na sa kanya ang isang piraso ng siling haba or depende sa dami ng iluluto mong isda. Diyan nakasalalay kung gaano kadami ang gusto mong ilagay na sili, lalo na kung mahilig ka rin sa maanghang, pwede mong dagdagan. And then, of course, hindi magiging tausi ang lutuin natin without the aid of the black beans. So, pwede kang magluto ng black beans, dried black beans, or the salted one kapag walang available sa iyong area. Pwede kang gumamit ng salted na black beans na nabibili sa ating mga paboritong tindahan or grocery stores. So, ganun lang kasimple sa pampalasa. Kailangan lang natin ng paminta at asin or patis. And do not forget, we need at least 1 cup of water para sa 3 pirasong isda na to. Okay, so let's start cooking. I'm having my coffee right now. It's cold outside. At kailangan na natin mag-almusal. So, ito lang ang ipe-prepare naman natin. Okay, maglagay lamang tayo ng mantika. And then, simulan na natin sa ating luya. Hindi naman natin kailangan patagalin at yung pagigisa. Sunod natin kaagad ang ating sibuyas. And then, ang ating bawang. Okay, kapag bumili kayo ng salted na black beans sa grocery stores, in can or in sachet, just make sure to wash it before using. Kasi, fermented siya. So, nakababad siya sa salted water, kaya make sure to wash it before using. So, hinugasan na natin to, kasi kung hindi nyo hugasan, mapapaalat kayo sa inyong mga lutuin. Kailangan lang natin siyang igisa. Hindi naman na kailangan na matagal. And then, set aside muna natin yung ating siling haba. We can add na our fish. Yan. And then, yung ating 1 cup of water. So, natapon yata. Okay, so let's make it 1 cup and a half. Ayan. Para meron tayong konting malalasahan pang sabaw. And then, let's add some black pepper. And then, let it boil. Let's cover. Let it simmer for around 3 to 5 minutes. We can add na this one, our chili. Yan. Allow it to boil. And then, after nun, tapos na yan. We can have a break while waiting for our dish na maluto. Kung nagustuhan mo lamang naman ang ating video recipe for today, like, share, and subscribe sa ating channel. Oops, do not forget to push the notification down below to get more updates. Bye, and thank you again for watching. Okay, it's almost done. So, I am encouraging actually everyone to please cook every day. It helps your budget, it is more convenient, and you can explore all recipes. And aside from that, you can enjoy the meal with your family and loved ones. So, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and push the notification bell below para sama-sama nating tuklasin ang iba't ibang klase ng lutuin everyday. Bye and thank you for watching. Okay, kagaya ng sinabi ko, kailangan less salt kapag gumagamit tayo ng salted tausi or black beans. And then, before we end up cooking, kailangan dagdagan natin ng at least 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. It will serve as pampalinamnam dun sa ating sabaw. Okay, it's done. Ready for plating. Ayan. Okay, so eto na yung ating piniritong salay with tausi recipe. Kung nagustuhan mo ang ating video for today, like, share, and do not forget to subscribe. And please push the notification bell below to get more and many more updates. Thank you for watching. Bye!